Hi lovely people! Are you trying to find an easy and perfectly balanced meal? When the answer is yes, then watch this video how I make couscous with arugula salad and orange until the end. First, you are going to add the couscous in a boiled vegetable stock. Remove from the stove and cover with a plate for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add the olive oil and fluff up the couscous. Add the almonds, red onions, arugula salad, orange fillet, orange juice, and season with some salt and pepper. Oops, I almost forgot. The orange zest also going in. Okay, now stir all together until well combined. This recipe is the quickest and great healthy eating option that I can think of, so make sure you also try this recipe and let me know how do you think of it by commenting below. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like it. Find the full description on my blog. Please give a thumbs up if you like the video and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!